So this video will feature approximately 4 minutes of low light footage from the GoPro Hero 11. So the first batch of clips here, I filmed around 5 p.m. The sun had already set and it was starting to get dark rather quickly. So for these scenes, I walked through a light display and I'm going to show several different scenes there so you can check out how that footage looks. For these scenes, I had my camera set to 24 frames per second, and I had hyper smooth turned off, and I had my shutter speed set to 1/48. I find those settings work best in the low lighting situations, and I had my GoPro Hero 11 mounted on the Hohem iSteady Pro 4 to help provide stabilization with hyper smooth turned off. For this next set of scenes, I walked through a downtown area. This was at approximately 8 p.m. in the evening. So by this time it was fully dark and the only lighting was the ambient lighting from the various buildings, the lights on the street, and the holiday lights that were on display. For these scenes, I had the same settings. I had 24 frames per second. I had a shutter speed of 1/48, and it had hyper smooth turned off with the GoPro Hero 11 mounted on the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. And the reason I have hyper smooth turned off is because with hyper smooth on, hyper smooth does not work well at those lower shutter speeds. It is not able to get those crisp frames that it needs in order to properly stabilize. When you're in low lighting, if you don't set the shutter speed lower, the GoPro is going to do it automatically, and it's just not going to look good. The footage is gonna look really jittery. It's not gonna look great. So you do have to have hyper smooth off for the best low light footage.